Have you ever wondered where the energy in your food comes from? It's a remarkable journey that begins with the sun and the incredible process of photosynthesis. Plants, unlike us, have the amazing ability to create their own food. They do this through photosynthesis, a process that transforms sunlight into stored energy in the form of carbohydrates. Imagine plants as cosmic chefs using sunlight as their stove, carbon dioxide as an ingredient from the air, and water absorbed from the soil. Just like we need air to breathe, plants need carbon dioxide to thrive. They take it in through tiny openings on their leaves called stomata. Water, crucial for all life, travels up from the roots to the leaves, reaching the chloroplasts, the kitchens of the plant cell where photosynthesis occurs. This process is nothing short of magical. It's the foundation of the food chain, providing energy for plants and ultimately all life on Earth. Inside each plant cell are remarkable structures called chloroplasts. These are the true heroes of our story. Think of chloroplasts as tiny green factories filled with an even more extraordinary pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll gives plants their green color and is the key to capturing sunlight's energy. When sunlight strikes a leaf, chlorophyll molecules within the chloroplasts act like antennas, capturing the sun's rays. This captured energy is used to split water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. The oxygen is released back into the atmosphere, the very air we breathe. The hydrogen, along with carbon dioxide absorbed from the air, undergoes a series of chemical reactions. These reactions ultimately lead to the formation of glucose, a simple sugar and the basic building block of carbohydrates. Glucose, the simple sugar produced during photosynthesis, is like the plant's energy currency. However, plants don't just use glucose immediately. They store some of it for later use, just like we store energy as fat. Plants link glucose molecules together to form longer chains, creating more complex carbohydrates like starch and cellulose. Starch, found in foods like potatoes and rice, serves as the plant's energy reserve. Cellulose, on the other hand, forms the strong, fibrous structure of plant cell walls, giving plants their rigidity. While we can easily digest starch, our bodies can't break down cellulose. That's why we call it fiber. Although we can't digest it, fiber is crucial for our digestive health. The carbohydrates we consume from plants provide our bodies with the energy we need to function. When we eat starchy foods, our digestive system breaks down the complex carbohydrates into simple glucose molecules. These glucose molecules then enter our bloodstream and are transported to our cells. Within our cells are tiny powerhouses called mitochondria. Think of them as the furnaces of our cells. Mitochondria take in glucose and, in the presence of oxygen, break it down to release energy. This energy is stored in a molecule called ATP, which acts like an energy currency for our cells. Just like a car needs gasoline to run, our cells need ATP to power everything we do, from breathing and thinking to moving and even dreaming. So, the next time you enjoy a plate of pasta or a piece of fruit, remember the incredible journey of carbohydrates, starting from a beam of sunlight captured by a leaf and ending with the energy that fuels your every move.